Good evening, students. Today we will see the ESIC most important questions. Which of the following vaccine contraindicated in pregnancy? Option A measles, option B mumps, option C rubella, option D all of the above. Option D is the right answer. All of the above. MMR is contraindicated in pregnancy. Next question. Drug of choice for mania. Option A lithium, option B ECT, option C ranitidine, option D paracetamol. Option A is the right answer. Drug of choice for mania is lithium. Next, weight of the uterus at term is option A 1000 to 1100 grams, option B 500 to 600 grams, option C 200 to 700 grams, option D 900 to 1000 grams. Option D is the right answer. Next question. The normal intraocular pressure is option A 19 to 38 mm of Hg, option B 16 to 25 mm of Hg, option C 20 to 35 and option D 8 to 21. Option D is the right answer. Insulin is injected into option A intradermal, option B subcutaneous, option C intrathecal, option D intramuscular. Option B is the right answer. Subcutaneous. షేర్ చేయండి, ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, లైక్ చేయండి. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. ద డయాబెటిక్ పేషెంట్ షోస్ ఆప్షన్ ఏ హై రెస్పిరేటరీ క్వోషంట్, ఆప్షన్ బి లో రెస్పిరేటరీ క్వోషంట్, ఆప్షన్ సి జీరో రెస్పిరేటరీ క్వోషంట్, ఆప్షన్ డి నోన్ ఆఫ్ ది అబోవ్. ఆప్షన్ బి ఈస్ ద రైట్ ఆన్సర్. లో రెస్పిరేటరీ క్వోషంట్. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. H2 blocker of choice in liver diseases. Option A cimetidine, option B ranitidine, option C famotidine, option D nizatidine. Option D is the right answer. Nizatidine is the right answer. Next question. The thymus related T cells. Option A produce antibodies, option B produce NK cells, option C recognize B cells, option D recognize body's own cells. The thymus related to T cells recognize body's own cells. Option D is the right answer. Next question. Insulin is not given by oral route because of option A it irritates GIT, option B it is destroyed by GIT, option C it causes GIT bleeding, option D it causes peptic ulcer. Option B is the right answer. It is destroyed by GIT. Thank you.